Getting the could not connect to Steam network error? Here are 6 ways you can fix it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. You can also support us through Buy Me a Coffee. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now, let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you can do is change the target location from Properties. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Right-click on all the Steam processes one by one and select End Task to close them. Now right-click on the Steam desktop icon and select Properties. In the Target section, add space -TCP at the end of the path. Click on Apply and select Continue. Next, click on OK. Launch Steam and see if the issue persists. Method 2. The next thing you can do is run Steam as an administrator. Right-click on Steam and select Run as Administrator. If Steam runs correctly, then close it and right-click on it again. Select Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab and check the Run this program as an administrator box. Click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Method 3. The next thing you can do is disable Windows Defender Firewall. Type Control Panel in the search bar and select the top result. Set View by to large icons. Locate Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option. Select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall from both private and public settings. Click on OK. Now check if the error persists. If you are using third-party antiviruses and firewalls, make sure to disable them. Method 4. The next thing you can do is flush the DNS and reset the network configuration. Type CMD in the Windows search box. Run command prompt as an administrator. Type the following line of commands one after the other. Make sure to hit enter each time after the command. ipconfig/flush DNS, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset. These commands are given in the description of this video. Restart your PC. Don't have a solution so far? After the video ends, join our Facebook group where our experts help users just like you solve tech issues every day. Join the group from the link in the description or the pinned comment and ask for help. We promise to help you out. Method 5. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. Open Run again and type ncpa.cpl. Press Enter to open the Network Connections window. Right-click on the network adapter you are using and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and select Properties. Set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK. This will save the changes. Once done, restart your computer. Method 6. The next thing you can check is your internet speed and stability. A bad internet connection can also lead to this error. To check your internet speed, you can search speed test in the Google search bar and open the speedtest.net website. Run the test and see if your internet speed is low or if you are getting a high ping. If yes, then you need to fix that first. Try resetting your router or turning it off for 15 to 30 minutes before turning it on again. If this doesn't fix it, contact your internet service provider and tell them about the internet issue. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get some quick solutions to all your tech issues. Join our Facebook group where you will get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Support our dedicated team of troubleshooters and editors directly through Buy Me a Coffee. Thanks for watching, and always remember that we are here to help you out.